I'm filming 365 seconds every day for 365 days, and this is day 41. Welcome to this morning because I am very excited for what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm in Chiang Mai at the moment and I'm staying at a homestay teaching English online, doing classes at night in exchange for accommodation and food. Today I'm going to make some new music because I make all of my own music for my videos. Some of the songs are completely from scratch, like I play guitar and trumpet and make the beats in my music editing software. And then a lot of the other tracks I use samples off of a royalty-free website and try and manipulate the samples so that they sound different to the original sample as best as I can. So today, because I've been rinsing through my music lately, it's time to create some more music. So I was going to make a video about making some music for my videos. So yeah, let's jump into it. So this is Splice. This is a royalty-free music website. They give you samples. So it's about a 4 to 8 bar sample of anything you like. You can look up drums, guitars, bass. Sometimes it's a whole rhythmic section. Sometimes it's just one instrument, and a lot of the time it's just one shots. So I'm going through all of these samples and listening to them and figuring out which one I like the most. I have found one that I really like and I've brought it over here into my music editing software. So this is PreSonus Studio Pro. So I have this sample here that I'm really vibing. So it's a cute little guitar sample. I'll play it through the video editing software because I have my headphones on right now. Oh, you know what? I can do it. All right, let's play it out loud. Okay, it's cute, hey? So, okay, the song is coming along nicely. I've thrown in a few of my own synths there, but I swear whenever I put my own synths in, it always sounds really harsh, so I think I gotta chuck a bunch of equalizers on top of it and make them round it out and blend into the mix a bit more. I haven't really done that much to the guitar. The guitar loop that I'm using is just kind of staying the same melodically, apart from the amps I put over the top of it, which I always feel like I'm cheating when I do that because I'm not really manipulating the sound enough to produce it to be completely my own. But also, I'm not making these songs as an album for people to listen to. I'm making these songs for my YouTube videos. So I don't know how much I have to crucify myself to the idea that I have to manipulate every sample to be completely different to what it originally sounded like. I think it's enough to arrange a lot of them in their own way and use my own style and sense of what drum patterns I want to use and how I want to break up the pattern and the arrangements and then putting my own synths in, but I don't know. If you think I'm cheating by saying it's original music, let me know, but I'm learning as a producer, you know, and none of these songs are going to be in an album, as I said, so they're just royalty-free sounds for royalty-free songs in the background of my YouTube videos that are tasteful enough that make me vibe to the video. Anyway, I'm about to have lunch now. We have khao soi. So let's have some lunch and then let's get back into the song. Sometimes if I listen to a song for hours and hours over and over, I start to really overthink it. And I think it's got potential, but it's not there. And my brain needs a break from this song. So sometimes it's magic and it really just falls into place. This time it did not feel like magic. I'm gonna try and make a different song now. And maybe we can come back to this one. Okay, I made something that is original. I spliced up a folk track and I took a strum from the guitar and transposed it a few times and made that into a bass line because I really struggle making bass lines with synths. So that was kind of a nice way to make a bass line, and it's soft and folky. I'm just trying to figure out the melody for the whole phrase, for the end of the phrase, but it sounds good. I also made like another part of the song where I just used the sample, but it sounds better what I made. But I've got classes soon. I've been doing this all day. I forget I haven't made music in ages, and I forget that I get to this point where I think, I look at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, what even is this? This is terrible. And then I forget that if I push through, then it gets to the end where the song comes together and it kind of feels like magic. So as you can see, it is very much nighttime. It is 10 to 11 o'clock at night. I've done all my English classes, and I've also officially spent 13 hours now working on this song and this project. But I think the magic came. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I haven't mixed it and I haven't put reverb in or anything like that. So right now it's still pretty raw, but I think it's good enough as is, as an arrangement. And I've used it in this song, unmixed. It came together in the end. So that's one song that I've already used in the video, so I'm gonna have to make more songs to use in more videos, but it's fun. That's the point, right?